Uniqueness about analytics journey for research and development. How we stand unique among the existing competitors. First thing, this is one of the budget-friendly virtual training program over the world. Second thing, this is a brand where easily you can collaborate with data scientists and data engineers who are going to act as your mentors. Third point, you people will be collaborating with candidates from 15 plus different domains and you will be coming up with 5 plus different projects as per your industrial need. The most important fourth point, we design your portfolio. Thereby, your portfolio stands unique among the crowd. Fifth point, we start everything from the scratch. You will be solving 100 plus interview questions in each of these technologies. More than that, we will be giving you a practical scenarios where you will get a complete knowledge to crack the scenario based interview questions. To know more, set up a discussion with our senior data scientist team. Thereby, they will give you a clear understanding about how this portfolio setup going to work. Thank you.